Well, to begin with, we found out about this. Zara is actually our neighbor, the Rutherfords. We're over our house about three and a half months ago, and they told us about their daughter's desire to do something like this, and so it was quite exciting. And so, we tried to think about how this could kind of work back to our company, and then I thought about our values. We have speed, and we have collaboration and technology or innovation, right? So speed, this little plane behind us is one of the fastest ultralights in the world. From collaboration perspective, it takes many people, hundreds of people, to make something like this work. She's going to be stopping in many different places, and families will be welcoming her and so forth. So all that orchestration needs to be done, and that collaboration is needed. And then finally, the technology and the innovation that goes behind telemetrics and so forth that allows the engineers back at the factory where the plane was made to be able to download and see how the engine's performing and so forth. These are all things that very highly technical in a small package, as we see behind me. So that's the tie into the values. When I think about perhaps the most important thing, that is gender equality. So one of her messages is that in her field and in her passion of flight, only 5% of commercial pilots are actually women, right? And so she's trying to motivate young ladies to get out there and go into the sciences. She also supports STEM, which is science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, right? And that's a program that she's supporting. So if she can motivate young ladies to get involved in the sciences at an early age and get degrees and then go out in these fields, it would be beneficial for companies like ours as well. As we are hiring people, we built up our team here in Europe, hired over 60 people in the last 2 years. We found it difficult to find women who would actually sign up for interviews. We've interviewed over thousands of people, and only a handful were actually ladies in the positions like engineering, application engineers, sales and service and so forth. So we really found it difficult, and so hoping that what Zara is doing to motivate young ladies to get into these fields would be also beneficial for companies like ours.